Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota Camry's garage door opener. First, locate the 3 home link buttons, usually found on your overhead console or rearview mirror. Next, we'll clear any previous programming to ensure a fresh start. Finally, we'll cover the 2 primary programming methods, one for fixed code systems and another for rolling code systems. Before programming, it's important to clear any old codes. Turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position. Press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons simultaneously for about 10 to 20 seconds. The indicator light will first flash slowly, then rapidly, confirming that all previous programming has been erased. You can now release the buttons. For fixed code systems, hold your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches from the home link panel. Simultaneously press and hold the desired home link button and your garage door remote button. Continue holding both until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash. This indicates successful programming. Release both buttons and test the home link button. If you have a rolling code system, after the initial remote programming, you'll need an extra step. Go to your garage door opener motor and press its Learn or Smart button. You have about 30 seconds to return to your Camry. Inside the vehicle, firmly press and release the desired home link button 2 to 3 times, holding for 2 seconds each press, until the garage door moves. This completes the rolling code synchronization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.